Hey guys, what's happening? Why can't I FaceTime on my iPhone? You can't FaceTime on your iPhone due to disabled settings. Maybe FaceTime disabled on your iPhone. So go ahead to the settings. Scroll a little bit down to find Face apps. Just try to pin down FaceTime. Okay. Make sure to turn it on. Okay. Next, cellular data. Make sure that you are using Wi-Fi instead of cellular data, right? Screen time restrictions. Go back to the settings. Screen time. Content and privacy restrictions. Make sure that you turn this one off. Maybe you don't have an internet. Try to switch between Wi-Fi or cellular. Maybe incorrect date or end time. So go ahead to the general date and time here. Make sure you set it automatically, right? Or temporary glitches needing a restart. So you can fix that by going back to the main settings, general, software update. If your iOS needs some updating, then go ahead and initiate it immediately. Okay, you can check these in settings, right? Refresh your connection and ensure you're signed into your Apple ID to fix it. So don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.